So today we are going to have a table talks discussions.
I want to explain the whole topic what are anger issues and what is frustration. Control your anger, don't let it manage you.
Shreman, please, what do you think about this, and what do you want to say about the managing the anger issues and the frustration?
I am abusing to him. So this is the thing. Understand, first of all, understand the root of anger and convince yourself.
Okay, good point. Well done. I appreciate you. Assalamu alaikum one and all. This is me Sabiswan on the behalf of Englishin. Okay, so today we are going to have a table talks discussions on the very rare topic that is management anger issues and frustrations. So that we people are going to discuss these topics, like we are having some sort of the materials are there which is related to that. So my students are really passionate to discuss. So Miss Mariam, what do you want to say regarding this? Please take seat and start.
So, I want to explain the whole topic what are anger issues and what is frustration. Basically, anger is nothing but an expression, outward expression of hurt, fear, and frustration. When you see the people backbiting you, hurting you, the sentiments which you feel at this point, this is called anger issues. And if I come towards frustration, frustration means when the things aren't going the way you expected and the way you want. This time, the sentiments which you feel, this grumpy and upset behavior called frustration.
Okay, that's great. Means you have explained your own views on your points. Okay, next, Miss Mariam, Miss Mehak, please. What do you think about and what do you want to talk about, please?
So I wanna say this thing that control your anger, don't let it manage you. Means you have the power to control your angers. Not you are not letting your anger that anger control you. Means if somebody is saying you something wrong and you are not getting angry, so means you are controlling your angers. But if anything happen and you are getting angry, so means anger is managing you. Furthermore, I want to say this thing that when unplanned things happen with us which is not good for us, but on that time we get angry. So why we don't think say that when good things happen with us, so bad things will also happen with us. So we should have patience in our personality and we should be uh, that's fine.
Okay, that's very good point. You have just Miss Mehak has explained, like explore herself and her wording is there. So, Mr. Rahman, what do you want to say regarding this? Please hold this mic. Mr. Rahman, please, what do you think about this, and what do you want to say about the managing the anger issues and the frustrations?
As we are having a great conversation about managing anger issues and frustration. As you know, we people usually get angry and getting frustration about something, and
Mhm.
many people are involving in. And the reason can be your relationship, the reason can be your education, the reason can be your society works that you are facing usually in your era. So it can be harmful for your health, for your mental health. You are involving in overthinking, anxiety, just because of getting angry, just because of frustration, and many people are involving in it.
That's great. Okay, means you are just talking about this. Yeah, actually, this is a very common that everybody is like victim of this anger issues are there. Okay. Furthermore, I just want to ask about Miss Fabia. What do you think about this?
If I talk about my perspective, so I strongly believe that anger issues are totally unhealthy for us because somehow our all mistakes can be forgiven by Allah. However, when it comes to hurting others, it cannot be forgiven because I believe that a person who has anger issues, he never thinks before he speak. He always hurt others, and that is totally wrong. And I want to give a suggestion to you all that if you have anger
Okay, now
issues.
wait. We have another portions regarding the suggestions, so you will give later on. Fine. So, I also request Mr. Faisal, please elaborate your own points. What do you want to think about, or what do you want to say about anger issues?
Actually, sir, as far as I believe that anger and frustration are normal feelings.
Hmm.
Every human feels anger. Sometimes we also feel anger. So we feel anger when things do not our way. When someone hurts us, it is anger. And frustration happens when we are trying to hard but still fail, and we can say our wishes are not
Fulfilled.
completed
Very
fulfilled.
good.
So it is a frustration. So getting anger and feeling anger, it is not bad, but control, losing control self anger, so it is very harmful for us. Anger can can cause many problems in our life. For
Hmm.
example,
That's good.
when it can impact on our relationship. When we are in anger, so we keep on using bad words and abusing, so it is too bad. Your single word can
Your
broke your
single word. Its pronunciation is single.
your single word can broke your relationship. So I think the solution is that of this thing, we must think about ourselves and we convince ourselves. It is very important to convince ourselves and find the root of this anger. Say to yourself that why I'm angry and where this anger is coming from. So I have some words. It was Galib said that uh,
Means it is said by Galib.
yes sir.
That's great. Okay,
Galib
please.
Saab said that in whole life we kept on cleaning mirror, but actually dust was in on our face. So it
Hmm,
is
that's
not
good
fault
point.
of the mirror, actually the fault of our face. Say to yourself that why am I angry, angry, and I'm why am I abusing to him. So this is the thing. Understand, first of all, understand the root of anger and convince yourself.
Okay, good point. Well done. I appreciate you, Mr. Sakib. What do you think about it, and what do you say? Try to speak in a nutshell because we are not having much time.
So today I'm going to talk about that how does our brain work.
Hmm.
Like first one, we are having emotional brain, and secondly we are having rational brain. I will divide brain into two parts. As I told about rational emotional brain. So our emotional brain works like immediately we think and talk about anything, and even we do anything bad with ourselves. So my suggestion is that we should take work from our rational brain because it takes time. So if I say in one sentence, so delay the response. We should delay the response and take passion.
Okay,
And
means this is your you wanna like suggest somebody
yes,
that
I
you
want
should
to
do.
suggest that then we can have a good anger issues we can
Okay,
manage in a
good
nice
job.
way.
Well done, Mister. Okay, Mister. That's a good point. Okay, now I just request or I just wanna say that Mr. Samir, you should elaborate your own words. That what do you wanna say about? Okay,
So
that
what I
anger means
contemplate,
we are having our like table talks discussion. So what do you wanna say regarding this?
that inside ourselves there is the biggest issue and the detrimental feelings inside us. So that is anger, and people are like that.
People, its pronunciation. People.
People are bewildered about it. The how to control it.
Hmm.
So the best and the solid way of controlling it, that is silence. You have the solid power to control it. Silence. If you are a silent, so you can control it. Otherwise you can't, because sometimes we obtain the anger and we
Hmm.
don't think about furthermore what will happen in after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We just listen our mind, we just listen our heart, but we don't think about furthermore. So the solid response of anger, that is silence. Being a silence is the best way. And once a person said that a closed mouth catches no fly, it means staying silent and secure yourself from detrimental feelings and the pernicious situation. Thank you, sir.
Okay, well done. Good point is there. Okay, I also wanna listen Miss Kinza's
So,
point.
as far as my concern, that managing angers mean staying calm yourself, staying calm yourself and thinking carefully. Anger is a feeling that everyone gets when they are when they are upset
Very
and
good, very good.
frustration.
Yes, yes, well done.
Furthermore, I wanna say that if you are controlling your when you
Very good. When you control,
when
yes,
you
yes.
control your anger, so when you are feeling angry, so staying calm and stop for a movement and take a
Very
deep
good.
breath
Mm.
and take a deep breath. Calm yourself by counting to 10 and if you
Yes, yes.
sorry.
Okay, thank you. We'll give you a chance next time. Okay, Miss Lata, please speak.
So I want to share that why controlling anger is important. When we control our anger, we may say harsh word and fight with other. So or regret our action later. That's why controlling anger is important for our mental health and relationship.
Okay, John Mohammed, what you say about please?
First of all, I want to mention that anger and frustration is a part of every human life, and discipline is also one of them. If we talk about discipline, if a person is disciplined in his life, so he can means easily done each and everything on time. If a person done his each on everything on time, so he don't have any type of reason for getting angry. I think we should be disciplined in our life, and if we done our each and everything on time, so we don't have any type of reason for getting angry.
Okay,
That's
good job here, Miss Ma'am. What you say about please? Speak
In my
about that.
point of view, social media is also the part of our
Okay, you wanna say
aggressive.
that social media is also playing
Yeah,
that? Okay.
because whatever we see on social media, we want to implement in our life. We don't know what is the result of this. Once we watch a lot of video on social media and we apply those action at our home, and we don't know what is impact of this on our life. So that's why our angry behavior is increasing day by day.
That's good. Okay.
So first of all, in my perspective, I want to say that we should have a positive mindset. If we have a positive mindset, so we can make our career.
Mm.
Because, like suppose, if I give you example of Newton, when Newton was sitting in the under the tree, so apple fall on his head. So when in that place he feel anger, so he can throw the apple, he can eat it, but
Hmm.
he has a positive mindset, he find gravity. So it is the advantage of positive mindset.
Okay, means you
So
are telling this like suggestion that
yes,
people should also think like positive.
yes.
Okay, good point is here, Mr. Vijay. What do you say about this?
according to me,
I'm talking
I
about.
am talking about relationship. As I said that when parents scold us, that
Hmm.
at the time we directly feel that they're insulting us, but why we don't think that they are they are they're
Very good.
insulting us because of better future.
Very good.
So instead of thinking clearly, we directly give them answer with arrogant. We talk to them with badly. They think that a child was badly rude beard, and at the time they feel regret that what what he could do.
Very good. Okay, good point, Mr. Taya, please. Okay,
Okay,
like share your own
as
points.
far as I am concerned, that an anger person can lose his relationships. Like we are having the great example of Pakistani actor Feroz Khan. He has lost his two wives because of his angry behavior, because of his aggressive behavior. And
Okay, interesting. You're talking about the Feroz Khan.
yes,
Okay, just means just because of the anger issue, he has lost his two wives.
yes, yes.
Okay. Please.
And if I talk about the solution of this, as we all know, anger is prohibited in Islam. And
Good point. You're right. Actually, yeah.
and
Very good.
what I
Okay.
what
Now,
I
everybody, please look at this picture. Everybody, I just want to indicate you. Okay, a boy is breaking his laptop. Okay, it is just because of the frustrations or the anger. Okay, don't you believe that when we are angry, so we just get lots of the lost just because of this anger issue. So instead of like breaking something or instead of losing something, can we not like control ourselves? So what you want to say, just last suggestion Miss Fabia was giving. So lastly, I just want to ask to Miss Fabia, please give the good suggestion to control the like anger issues? How can we control?
I just want to give my personal suggestion. Like whenever I feel angry, so I just say Inna Lama Sabrin, and I want all of you to say also this, because I think that it's the best suggestion. It's the best way to control your anger.
That's good point. Okay, so like lastly, I just wanna say that it was really great discussion with all of you, or it is really fascinating, and as well as table talks discussions that we people have discussed. I got lots of points from your side, so it is all about from our side. And if you really want to learn more, and if you want to really boost up your confidence as well as, so do join Englishin for this type of discussion, and it will be helpful for you and for your future as well as. Thank you so much.